Don't give him any slack either. They'll spit it too. Can I show you something?
Yeah.
With this? Oh, holy, it's a nice one too. Holy, it is.
Yeah.
You got a gain line. You can't crank these big ones in. You kind of do this, right?
Yeah.
Lean back. Gain a little bit of line. Lean back. Like so, eh?
Okay.
You'll never crank this one in. You just got to use the rod on him. And I'm going to, if you're confident you can keep that line tight, I'll go to neutral. You feel pretty good about that?
Yeah.
Maybe the only way to get him in. Maybe the only way to get a big one in. Just keep him coming. Don't give him any slack. Oh, he did. Yeah, he made a little run there. He did. You got it though, you got the technique, you just got to get him all back. Yeah, you're doing good, doing good. No, you're doing good, you got a nice fish there. Keep him coming, no slack, keep the pressure on him. No, he's there, he's there. Keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure on him. It's a halibut. Keep the pressure on and get that flasher all the way as close to the tip as you can, as quick as you can.
Oh yeah.
Bring him over here, bring him over here.
Oh, yeah.
Reel, crank, crank, reel, reel. Okay! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha! Hey, there's your mojo, man. There's your mojo. Ha ha! Woohoo! Strong fish.
Yeah.
That's a strong fish. Okay, you hang on to that. I'll take this.
Well, let's go and take it.
Yeah, that works. There you go.